Hi you guys, so today what we're doing is we're just working in this journal right here and we're making this little pocket. I thought you guys might like to make another place to journal on inside of a pocket. And so basically all I did was I took like a little envelope. It's like a false envelope looking digital. And then I glued two sides of it. And then I just went ahead and put this little piece of ephemera inside of it. And it's a little booklet that you can just journal on. Has many pages in it and everything like that. I thought we would just make this really quick and easy piece of ephemera for our journal today. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. And what I did was sometimes I make journals using the composition notebooks, and so I have extra pages, like if I've removed pages. And so I used some of those pages. What I did was I went ahead and had looks like I have two like double pages, so 4 pages. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to pick up one of my digitals that I have. It's like a digital page that I printed up, and I wanted kind of an off-white one, so I picked this one. I'm going to go ahead and just fold it in half. This is just a super quick and easy fun thing to make for your journal. I'm going to go ahead and put that inside of here. And then I'm just going to freehand cut this little heart out, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead, let me just make sure, where is the paper? Okay, so just like that, I just freehand cut out a heart. So it looks like that. Inside of here, what you can do is you can use a needle and some thread and then just bind it like you bind a book. But I actually just got out my little stapler. And what I did was, because the throat of the stapler isn't long enough, I went ahead and just kind of folded it like this, but not made a crease or anything. And then I went ahead, there we go. And I just stapled it just like that, so that the staples were on the crease right here. And I just kind of bent it back. All right, and then what I went ahead and did was I decorated it. And so I put a little pocket on the front of mine, just like that. And what I'm gonna do on this one, I have these little dolls. Oh my gosh, they're so cute for Valentine's. And I thought I would put one of them on the front of it. She is really cute. There's like little couples. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay, I think I'll just do a little couple. Okay, I think I'll just do that couple. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and ink around it. I'm just using some Victorian velvet. And if I have a digital that you're interested in where it came from, just message me down below and I will look it up and get back to you. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put them on the front of it. Just like that. Oh, that's so cute. And then I happen to have like a little whale tail. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there as well. Cute. Okay, and then I went ahead and put a little eyelet on there. Just going to go ahead and use this, a little crocodile. And then I'm going to go ahead and put an eyelet in here. You don't have to do this, but you can. So I just thought I would show you how I did the other one. Okay, and then on that, I went ahead and put one of these light bulb markers. Just like that. And then I used just a little bit of seam binding. Actually, I'm going to use some of this, I think. Let's see. Actually, we'll use this color. And I'll just go ahead and tie this on. So cute. And then I had something, a little something on the inside of this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put one little thing right there. Let's see what we should put right here. I'm just looking at some little Valentine's ephemera that I have here. Oh my gosh, that's cute. I kind of think I like that little squirrel. So we'll go ahead and put that there. Super cute. All right, so this is what we made. It just looks like a half heart, and then when you open it up, it's a heart. So cute. And then you can go ahead and write on the pages of it, put it in your journal. It'll be like a secret journaling spot inside of your journal. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. And you would just glue this side and this side down, and then you can just stick it inside of your journal just like that. So cute. I love it. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.